Right now we are heading to Alappad. So Vishnu is taking us on road.
Yeah.
So let's see what's gonna happen over there. Like you guys can see the Arabian Sea, which is beside our right side, which is flowing in a great way.
Yeah.
You know. So we're gonna go over there and let's see what's gonna happen and what are we gonna come across. So yeah.
That's what.
So what did you have for the lunch today, Vishnu?
Currently, we had our lunch from a small shop.
Okay.
That is a Paranganji Kada.
Oh, Parakanji.
Yeah.
Got the point.
You know Paranganji?
So guys, it's a sowed rice. Sowed rice soaked in water.
Yeah.
So it's one of the beautiful dish too.
Yeah.
Because it keeps your body cool and which is
it's
good.
one of very healthiest dish from Kerala.
All right.
And it was very healthy to our physically, and it is very cool at all summertime. Yeah.
Wow.
And
So,
bro, I am asking you a question.
Oh, go ahead.
And what about Kerala?
Okay.
From what's the difference from Hyderabad and Kerala?
All right.
And what's the scopes in future tourism?
Future tourism. Let
Yeah.
me say you because let me start from Hyderabad.
Okay.
Because Hyderabad is completely equipped with a lot of software engineers and the city is completely polluted because they have
Hyderabad is
lot
also polluted.
It's completely polluted.
Oh, okay.
Because we have one city, one big city, and there's like a lot of companies over there.
Oh.
Many people commute through car, and the smoke pollution and all, right? So that is one of the things. As you are coming to Kerala, let me say you, even if we have kind of pollution, but due to this naturality, especially like if I'm meaning naturality, it's about the greenery and the plants, what they keep around, right? That will actually oxidize the carbon dioxide, and we can at least breathe a good oxygen. And also the coastal bodies like your place and all, you guys will get like 100% clear, good, air.
And another question is, and I heard about Hyderabad biryani there.
Yes.
And it's very famous there, na?
Yes, it is famous.
In Kerala, we foodies are very like your biryani. Okay.
I know. Many people come over there, have biryani, and Hyderabad biryani is one of the best biryani. Let me say you, because it's kind of you get the flavor of Nizams. You might be knowing about Nizams, right? Nizam culture.
There is some duplicate Hyderabadi biryanis.
There are many
Kochi areas.
Oh, is it so?
Kochi areas,
Oh, okay.
I went there and see it.
But also in Hyderabad also you have duplicates. Okay.
Wow.
Let me say you.
Also Hyderabad.
Yes.
Yeah,
also in Hyderabad, of course, because it's Hyderabad, you can sell any kind of food, right?
Okay.
So the main thing is like you have Paradise, and there is Shag House, and another one is
I
Pista
heard
House.
about
Shag House.
Yeah.
So these three biryanis you have like great, and it is one of the most breathtaking place, especially for having food. It's a great and they have good taste.
Oh, okay. And what about your family, bro?
Family.
I don't know about his family now. I only know him. Okay.
Okay.
So I asked him because I think guys, 1 second. Kadal Machan ഏതെങ്കിലും ഒരു സബ്സ്ക്രൈബേഴ്സ് നമ്മുടെ ചങ്കിന്റെ ചാനലിൽ വന്നിട്ടുണ്ടാവുന്ന എനിക്കറിയാം. എന്റെ കമ്മ്യൂണിറ്റി പോസ്റ്റ് കണ്ടിട്ട് അതുകൊണ്ടാണ് ഞാൻ പുള്ളിയെ നിങ്ങൾക്ക് വേണ്ടിയിട്ട് ജസ്റ്റ് ഒന്ന് പരിചയപ്പെടുന്നത് കേട്ടോ.
Hello guys. Our family, we are only 3, bro. Okay. My mom, dad, and me.
Okay. I don't married now.
No, I'm not married yet.
Very good.
27. I don't want to get into
friends.
that.
There's 2 more friends. Okay.
Are you married?
Okay. Hey, I am just only 21. Yeah.
21. I'm just kidding. Okay. Don't mind me, bro.
Okay.
I'm just kidding.
Altave ചെറിയൊരു വീഡിയോ എടുക്കണം ഇതിന്റെ. Altave. Okay, bro. And OnePlus.
Go ahead.
One of my friends, so many friends are say Hyderabadi girls are very beautiful in looking. What about that?
Okay. Hey Hyderabadi girls, you gotta listen to this. A Mallu guy,
okay.
He's actually looking out for you guys. Okay. If somebody like Kadal Machan, kindly also subscribe his channel and you can chat. Definitely you're welcome to do that. So bro, you know very well, like every girls are awesome. Even I love Kerala girls,
Oh
yeah, of course,
no,
right?
bro. I think not that way. I talk here not about the love or a relation, not like that.
Okay.
Their modern dressing style. And last time I went Kanyakumari.
Okay.
Kanyakumari is a paradise of Kerala.
All right.
And it is more. There is an island.
Okay.
We can go through a sailing boat like
Okay.
that.
Okay.
But then I will went there and I met a Hyderabadi girl.
Okay.
And his name is Ankita. Hi Ankita.
Ankita.
Hi. Hello.
Hi, Ankita.
And-
Note the point, okay? All right.
And I like her. Okay.
Okay. Barro.
എന്റെയിലല്ല പിടിക്കണോള്. And that Ankita, she was very white in color.
Okay.
And I like her. And
Okay.
she was very close with us. Okay.
Okay.
And what about Kerala beauty, bro?
Kerala beauty, bro. See, let me say you one thing.
Okay.
Especially coming to nature,
Oh.
it can't be expressed through the mouth.
Ah.
Okay. The Kerala beauty. A person, if he's not visibling the beauty through his eyes, then it is not meant to say the beauty.
Oh.
You got the point? The naturality is
His
through
point,
our
bro,
eyes.
his point.
It is through our eyes because
Yeah.
of,
Oh,
and
yeah,
view
sure.
it.
Yeah,
Then
sure.
only you get the naturality, and you know you feel that. You feel the essence. Let me say you that. You feel the smell.
Real essence.
Real essence of the place.
Okay.
You know, that's what I wanted to say.
Do you like these coastal areas, bro?
Man, I love coastal area.
Oh, how was the drive?
Excellent.
Okay.
You know, we had a crazy ride, adventurous ride
Yeah.
today.
It is an Mahindra Thar latest
Yes,
model.
yes.
And what about our 4x4 trip and that coastal area? Are you-
Excellent. It's very excellent. Guys, I'm going to put you that clip onto that. Just have a look onto that. How was the trip?
Okay.
And I want comments from you guys.
Oh, yeah,
So
yeah,
let's
yeah.
see what
Put
the...
your comment, okay?
Okay? It's needed. It's literally needed.
If you interested to visit coastal areas, come Kerala and join with us.
Yes, guys.
Okay.
There are many places over here,
Yeah.
which is like unforgettable places.
Okay.
From Trivandrum till the Calicut.
No, bro. From Trivandrum to Kasargod.
Kasaragod.
There is 545 kilometers.
Alright.
There's a coastal way, you know, with Kanyakumari to Kasargod.
Okay.
There is a best coastal way, and it is covered with 640 kilometers.
Oh, wow.
I know that's correctly, no? Okay. I think I had 640 kilometers.
Okay.
And I enjoyed it. I enjoyed that drive. And
Wow.
we are planning to a South Indian trip.
All right.
Yeah,
South Indian
I
trip.
am a fish. I am a Kerala sea fishing blogger. You know,
Yes,
guys.
yes.
So I am very interested to South Indian fishing too, and I like Mangalore fishing, Goa fishing, and I heard about Hyderabadi was very famous. I think Hyderabad is very famous for street fish foods.
Not street fish food. I won't say it's a street fish food, but yes, you do have a farm fishes which is available over there, and also sea fishes which come over there from the places like Andhra, Guntur, and all. Right? It takes time to reach over there. You don't get that much fresh because that is a fact. Because it hardly takes like 12 to 15 hours to reach the place, and we need to buy. And you know, sometimes we get good fish, sometimes it is spoiled. You know, we can't believe and take the fish. But yes, they also.
I think there is, you don't get a fresh sea
We
fish.
don't get it. We don't get a fresh sea fish because we don't have cuddle over there. We don't have sea in Hyderabad.
I think you had mummy lunch.
Oh,
mummy lunch.
man.
What about the sea dishes?
Let me say you guys, as I said I'm a foodie. I love eating food. So especially Sandhya Amma made us a squid, a cassava, and some rice with some achar.
Yeah.
Kappa.
Kappa,
Cassava.
okay.
It was excellent, and the taste, especially the squid taste, is awesome, dude.
Yeah.
I can't say you because still my mouth is watering, you know.
Wow.
Wow. Yeah, but it's already been full. My stomach is completely full. I can't overload myself because I need to travel more.
Oh.
So, or else, if I would have stayed over here, I will definitely say, trust me, it doesn't matter. Even my stomach get upset, I would have had it. Yeah, definitely.
No, bro. Sandhyama made food with love, bro.
Definitely, bro. The love when I came in, when I just got on the vehicle, when I approached, mom, your Sandhyama was like, "Who are you?" I called up Vishnu. Vishnu told me to come. So then I told you, how are you doing? How do you know that I was hospitalized?
Okay.
I told you, your boy sent me, and yesterday I saw the Instagram post, and you've been fine.
Okay.
Wow, that is awesome. So
What about Sandhyama caring?
man, trust me, that is something different in the sense the love from a mother.
Yeah.
Let it be whomever it is.
Okay.
But her love, I've been seeing a lot of videos. People, all big YouTubers like Sujit Bhaktan Bhai, everybody comes over here and
Yeah.
they've done the vlogs.
Yeah.
But they were also saying like the love of Sandhyama. So I have the same thing to say. She is lovable person.
Bro. I'm a Kerala YouTuber,
Okay.
and I am not famous. I think I don't have. I'm not famous here. Okay?
Yeah. Okay.
But I am success because that is the full support of my mommy.
See, let me say you one thing, Vishnu. The main thing is like, I literally appreciate you. One thing is like being in such a young age and coming forward without any support.
Yeah, bro. Yeah,
You know,
sure.
that is what where you stand, man.
Yeah.
That is what where you stand. Like, what do you say? Like, maybe now, maybe people might be saying, "What is this guy doing?" or something, but they are not understanding what kind of hard work you have done.
Yeah.
The hard work paid you, bro.
Yeah.
There is nothing much, but the hard work paid you.
Absolutely sure. Because when I start from my back 3 years,
Mhm.
when I start from my back 3 years,
Okay.
I'm nothing, bro. I'm nothing.
See, even today, I am with 800, almost like 876 subscriber. I don't know whether I'm going to be succeeded or no. The main thing, you know why I'm not leaving it? Everything possible. Everything is possible.
Everything is possible.
There is nothing called impossible.
Yes.
Even impossible has a word called I am possible.
Yeah, sure.
If you divide the word,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
So this is what I am about.
Yeah.
See, I'm a traveler.
Yeah.
You know, I love to travel across the world.
Yes.
I've been to many countries. I'm doing all these things, and now I love to explore over here in India.
Yeah.
So I've came across all of your vlogs. I liked your way what you do. That's why I came here.
Yeah. Okay.
This is how it is.
And what about Alapura experience? What
Alapura.
about Arunanam Jalasri?
Arun bhai, thank you so much, bro. Excellent.
Hey, Arunanam Jalasri. This guy is tell about you. You are very friendly and carely, bro.
Thank you so much, Arun bhai. Definitely, you're gonna get more guests on board very soon. Yeah, and thank you, Vishnu.
Yes.
Vishnu was the person who shared me a number, and I already told you, right? So finally, I got a chance to meet this guy. So he is literally crazy and awesome. Crazy and awesome.
Yeah, bro.
Yeah.
And
So guys, right now we are heading towards the harbor of Arikel, and Shika joined us too. Shika, hi.
Hello.
So we are gonna go over there. Nandu brother is here too. So Karal Machan.
yes, we are heading to Arikal Harbor. Okay.
All right, we are heading to Arikel Harbor. So what's the specialty of this harbor? There are many harbors in Kerala, right?
Yes.
So what is the specialty of this harbor, Arikel Harbor?
Arikal is very small,
Okay,
but lot of fishing boats are here
okay.
and lot of business are here. ഒന്ന് പിടിച്ചിരുന്ന കേട്ടോ സീറ്റ് ബെൽറ്റ് ആണ് കേട്ടോ. Actually, I have 2 fishing boats are here,
Okay.
and so fishing boats owners are very free of cost.
Okay.
Here is always some fishing.
സിയ ബോട്ടിൽ കയറിയിട്ടുണ്ടോ?
നമുക്ക് ബോട്ടിൽ കയറാം.
So guys, Vishnu brought us over here to the harbor of Arikal. So we are gonna view the boat. So he's crazy, man, you know.
There are some subscribers.
So
They are on fishing.
okay,
You can join with them.
sure, definitely.
If you have interest, you can join with them for fishing.
Yeah,
Okay.
for sure.
How was the experience?
It's crazy.
Okay.
It's crazy. It's awesome. So there. Yeah. So guys, hi Chetamare. Fishing cheyano. Okay. There are some guys over here who are fishing, and let's see how they fish.
Look at that.
Oh, they have a lot of fish inside this, but I don't want to touch it. You know, it might get crazy. Cheta, tardu manikyo. So he's showing me. Wow, they got good fishes, mate. They got the awesome fish. Wow. So they have. ചേട്ടാ ഞാൻ ഹൈദരാബാദിൽ നിന്നാണ്. എൻ്റെ ചാനലിൻ്റെ പേര് ട്രാവലേഴ്സ് ബാക്ക് പാക്ക്. സബ്സ്ക്രൈബ് ചെയ്യുക. ഓ വാ വാ വാ, ദിസ് ഇസ് ലൈവ് ഫിഷ്. ദേ കാട്ട് ഗൈസ് ക്യാൻ വ്യൂ ഇറ്റ്. വാവ്. ഇതെന്ത് മീനാ ഏട്ടാ? കോര. ഓക്കെ, ഗ്രേറ്റ്.
ഈ സമയം പോലെ ഇരിക്കും.
ആണല്ലേ? ഓക്കെ.
ഈവനിങ് ടൈമിലൊക്കെ ആണെങ്കിൽ അത്യാവശ്യം നല്ല മീൻ കിട്ടും.
നല്ല മീൻ കിട്ടും അല്ലേ? ട്രാവലേഴ്സ് ബാക്ക് പാക്ക്. Great. Buddies, awesome. I already told them to subscribe my channel too. Okay. Yeah. So Kadal Machan is here.
Yeah.
So bro, what is the next plan? Where are we going to go?
Subscribers all around the spots.
Oh sure. So guys, I'm going to take you the tour on to this boat.
Yeah.
So this is how the galleyway is like. You know, they put all the equipments and they have the net cast, which is kept like this, and they have the water stored over here. And you see, it's very high. And these people, they go for fishing for almost like 15 days or 1 month. It depends upon things, you know. I'm standing on top of the boat right now. You guys can view it. That is actually captain's galley. You know, the captain is sitting inside, and this is awesome. So we are heading out this way. Let me show you this. So you guys can see the Arikal harbor. This is the harbor where all the fishing boats come and stop and see. This is awesome, you know. So guys, you might be seeing all this. This is a good ship, and you know, the hard work of these people, we can't express it. They have a good experience, and it's an awesome thing. We know how hard it is to go to deep sea and fish over there. So, you know, that is what I would like to say about this, guys. And let me show you the remaining part of the boat. See, there is a net which is kept over here, and that is the captain galley. At the aft, at the starboard side, they're fishing. People are fishing over this side, so it's gonna be awesome, you know. They have their things to do over here. We're not gonna disturb. And this is the captain room, that is called as the G groom room. So I'm not gonna enter inside. And you see the anchors, and this is the pulley which they use for pull the net. See, we got another ship in front of us. So this is awesome. What is that? Rishikesha. The boat name is called Rishikesha. And this harbor is literally full every time. Where you come over here, it is literally full. And yeah, guys, this is one of the adventurous day for me and literally a happy day for me with Kadal Machan. So it's been great that I'm doing a video with him. So you know, I've seen a lot of videos. You guys need to also look into Vishnu Arikal Kadal Machan channel. You gotta subscribe to his video and check it out. How they do the fisheries, like how they catch the fish and what they do with the fish and how they sell it in the market and everything you can see over there. And this is what it is. And let's get into the Vishnu. Right now I'm getting down and let's see what can be done over there.
Guys, we are having the best off-road. Wow, guys can see us.
So guys, I hope the journey is coming to end right now. Thank you so much, Kadal Machan, Vishnu Arikal. Thank you so much. It's been great to be with you, man. And thank you so much for giving me such a great opportunity.
Thank you, bro.
Okay. I also welcome. Pleasure is mine. So you're always welcome to my city also, Hyderabad.
Yes, as soon
If
as
you come,
possible, I will be
please,
there.
please be there. Please let us know whenever you are coming. So this vlog is gonna be great, and I have enjoyed my great day over here in Arikal Beach, and it was great off-road. Today I met a couple of his friends, and you guys will be seeing that in videos and everything. And I have my sister over here, Shika, and Nandu bro is also here. So we are moving out right now, signing out from Kerala, God's own country, Arikal. See you next time at other vlog at other destination. Till that, bye bye from Nikhil. Please do subscribe to Travelers Backpacker, and please do comment, share, and also do whatever you wanted to do. And this is Vishnu, and his channel name is Kadal Machan, and I'm putting the description under there.
മച്ചന്മാരെ അപ്പതേ നമ്മുടെ മലയാളീസ് ആരെങ്കിലും മച്ചാൻ്റെ ചാനൽ എത്തിയിട്ടുണ്ടെങ്കിൽ സപ്പോർട്ട് ചെയ്യുക, സബ്സ്ക്രൈബ് ചെയ്യുക, മച്ചാൻ്റെ ചാനൽ ഷെയർ ചെയ്യുക പോരെ.
Thank you, bro. Thank you so much. Thank you. Bye bye, guys. See you.